So now we're gonna be making Emily's like girlfriend, I guess, or like roommates. Because I mean, at first they'll be like roommates, but then we'll develop their relationship over time. But we can also make a man. I'm good for both, making both. I just think women are a bit more fun to make just because of their like clothing and customization. But what do you guys think? I'll leave it to you guys. Should we make a guy character now or a girl character? Her girlfriend can be a cool girl who's anxious. I think it's a nice contrast. I like that idea. So Emily is like a bit more extroverted, a bit more outgoing than her girlfriend. This girl is a bit more introverted, a bit more shy. Girl, 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 girl. Okay, a girl then. Let's look at some of their presets together. So we have this one, which is the base we used for Emily. Okay. So because Emily is like kind of Asian looking, I think I want this girl to look more Western, more Caucasian. So let's choose a Caucasian preset. Oh, this girl. She's cute. I remember her. Should we just do Bella Hadid? Where is she? Where is she? Oh, here. This is literally Bella Hadid. Okay, but she's also pretty. Oh, but she's also pretty. I can't pick. Okay. Guys, help me. One. Probably not her, actually. One or two. One, two. I'm thinking her, maybe. But we're gonna edit a little bit. We'll edit them a little bit. One? Yeah, I was thinking the same. Okay, let's do her. Let's edit her a little. Oh my gosh, wait, she's so cute already. I'm kind of happy with her. I don't really want to change too much about her face. I think she looks really pretty already. I love the curly hair. We might just keep this. I think the only thing I'll fix is like her skin color here is like quite dark. Like I want her to be darker skin toned, but the oopsies. I just don't like those like looks like she has dark circles. So let's try to change that. We can't have our girl looking tired. Or perhaps maybe that's just how it is. I can't change it, maybe? Stop! Freckles would be so cute. Oh, so is she a little bit darker than before? Oh, they have more of a palette here. Oh. Oh, that does not look nice. Oh my goodness. I feel like I messed something up because why does she look a bit different? Okay, there we go. I'm not gonna change it. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave it. Dude, she's so pretty, right? Dude, do I want to be her or do I want to date her? I don't know. Oh gosh. Oh my. This is, I think, just, you know, leave her normal. Maybe like this? Do you guys notice how when you like change between the presets, the change is like gradual? So it like fades. So like if I'm going from to this mode, okay. So right now she's like this skinny, and if I make her a bit thicker, you can see her body like changing, but I don't like how it slowly changes. I'd rather it just be an instant change because it's harder to tell. Okay, guys, what's her vibe? I feel like Emily is giving more like school girl prep vibe, like kind of like she's a bit class. She's like a classy girl, like a pretty classy girl, you know? That's Emily's vibe for me. You know, also with the like Coco Chanel fit that she has, feels a bit more like she's like a put together girl. How about for her? We don't have her name yet, so I don't know. Maybe we can make her a bit tomboyish. We can go with like baggy shirt, baggy pants combo, perhaps. Obviously not like this exactly. I feel like it's easier to customize characters if we have like a style. Street jorts? Okay. Ooh, but maybe we can make her jorts fit for like the summer. Because this is her everyday fit. Okay, let's try with the jorts. It's actually kind of cute though. A cool rock girl, like street style, Hawaii shirt and shit type vibe, low key. I don't know about that. Oh, this is, dude, why is this fit like already kind of cute? I don't know. Okay, I think let's just remove the shirt so we can just see the oh my god, these are cute. Bro, I would literally wear this. Okay, because she's a bit of a darker skin tone. I think lighter clothes, like more like lighter neutral tones would look better to complement her skin. The other girl is Emily's a bit more pale, like, so blue looked nice on her. I think for her, like, maybe like more of a yellow toned, warmer toned things. Bro, I don't know what the fuck I'm saying, but you guys get it. Do we like this long sleeve shirt already? Okay, I'll just kind of click through and you guys can see what you think looks good. I don't know. I'm kind of liking a t-shirt, but I also like this. Like, this is also kind of cute. I don't know. The green is crazy. Try a Hawaii shirt. Okay, let's just try a Hawaii shirt. Oh, this is so ugly. It's actually so ugly. Oh, the long sleeve, I remember. The first shirt. This one, right? This one. I kind of agree though. I think this looks the nicest. No, the white one. The baggy long sleeve? Bro, am I tripping? This? This? One or two? Right under? This one? The one I was just on? What was I just on? That one? Yes? This one? I just quickly clicked a bunch of stuff, so I don't know which ones. It's a bit hard without any names. But okay, I catch your vibe. Ooh, what do you think about the light green? I don't know. Dark green? If you want light green, change the color of the shorts. Yes, of course. Dark green? Excuse me. Okay. Shorts? Okay, I'll number them. Bruh. Okay, 1. This is 1, 2, 3, or 4. These 3 kind of look the same. It's just like the pattern is a bit different. You also can't change this color, so this is just that. But for this, you can change. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like the sweater. I'm not really a big fan. This is her everyday fit, so I'm thinking perhaps like maybe something like I do like the jumper jorts combo, but maybe for another outfit because this is her everyday. So I want it to look maybe a little bit more casual, like with a t-shirt, with a fitted t-shirt could perhaps look a bit more like just put together. Let's just see what options we have. I don't know about doing a jacket. This is kind of a nice jacket though. Oh, Hack said 1. This one. Obviously the jacket doesn't go with the fit. Like this is cute. Like this is a cute fit. Maybe not black shirt. Maybe brown. 111. Okay, so we like these shorts. Wait, I like that jacket too though. Like this looks so good. But maybe we'll save this jacket for like for her party fit, because it's a bit more like ooh, cool girl vibes. Maybe for her everyday, yeah, like something just a bit more simple, a bit more chic. I'm quite liking this together actually, but perhaps like a gray maybe? I don't know what colors I want. I don't like the black shirt, to be honest. I'm not a fan. I think like a cream. Yeah. Let's do a darker gray, or maybe like a orangey. Wait, this is actually such a cute, like, I don't know what this is called, but like it's really cute. I would wear this. The jacket with baggy joggers, same color. Oh, okay. We could try that for another fit. Yeah, the shorts and jacket together look a bit strange. So we'll definitely save the jacket for another fit because it's so nice. I mean, I don't think the shirt looks terrible. I think it would look good both, like, being brighter. Like, a lighter shirt and a dark shirt both look good for me. Like, I think they both look fine. Accessories-wise, nails, I feel like she would be, like, she'd have short nails. She would have, yeah, I kind of like that. Like, the nude short nails. I think that's super cute. I feel like she'd also be someone that would have, like, a lot of bracelets. I wish you could stack them or something. Okay, maybe let's try changing it up then. Like, her shoe-wise. Perhaps we can find something a little bit more, like, that just looks better overall. I don't know. I kind of like it, though, with the socks. Okay, this is the everyday fit for now. Let's go. Formal. Okay. Fuck. So Emily, our other character, she has this fit on. This is Emily's fit for formal. So for this character, perhaps we can make her wear... Do we make her wear a suit? That could kind of be a vibe. I don't know. I don't know what it is, though. The suits don't look the best. So let's make our own suit. They have, like, formal pants here already. Like, these pants, I think, look not too bad. And then a shirt's, like... I don't know, like... Like, this is giving waiter. The shirts don't look good. I don't know, I just think it looks weird, the shirts. Okay, let's try brown pants. Like, I'm thinking, like, a long, like a blouse. Like, a blouse would look good, you know? Like, kind of a baggy, maybe unbuttoned on the top blouse. But, like, I don't really see, like, what is this? Like, I don't know. None of it is really working for me. Damn, this is hard. This, I think, looks a bit better. Oh my gosh. Okay, fuck it. It doesn't matter right now. Let's just find a jacket. I think a jacket might look better. Go oranger? Yeah, for sure. For sure, I need to go oranger. Oh. Maybe if I make the pants black. I'm just trying to find, like, a suit. Maybe dark blue? Maybe her suit can be dark blue. Because Emily's fit is, like, a light blue Coco Chanel inspired two-piece. I don't know. Especially because she's levitating makes that much more confusing. I didn't even realize she was, like, levitating. Okay, we'll just put shoes on for her for now because she looks a bit strange. Ugh! This is so difficult. I don't know, man. Let's just look at the jackets. There's some cute jackets, though. So for a winter fit, maybe we can find something nice. Wait, I'm not mad with this. Maybe the top, though, we just need to change. Okay, I like the coat, but I think we're gonna go with something else. We're gonna go with something a little bit more, like, sophisticated looking. I'm not, like, that mad about this. Like, I think she looks very English. Like, this looks, yeah, I don't know. This just looks very English to me. I don't know. She looks very proper, like, very put together, right? I mean, I'm not mad about it, but it's definitely not the best. But I don't want to be stuck on this for too long. So we're going to come back to this because it's kind of difficult. So let's go to school fits. For Emily, we gave Emily like a Korean inspired schoolgirl outfit. So I'm thinking that maybe we're kind of gonna do the same for her, except we're gonna make her wear pants. So it's gonna be maybe a little bit similar to her formal fit, but whatever. Maybe gray pants. Yeah, let's try gray. Can I have a gray color palette? Just give me this. Let's see what it looks like with gray. Oh, that's terrible. I don't like that. I think gray looks a little bit more school, right? Oh, we can also try a long skirt as well, though. That's true. I don't know, though, because some of their skirts, like... Because Emily... Yeah, nah. Because Emily wears a skirt for her school outfit, so I think I want this girl to wear pants. Ooh! Or, for her school fits, because they have these, like, jerseys, we can give her kind of like a American fuckboy vibe. Maybe she's, like, the more masculine one out of the two of them. She's, like, more mask, you know? Yeah, like a varsity jacket, maybe? Okay, so maybe let's redo this entire fit. Okay, this is the move. Let's choose the jacket we want, and then we're gonna fit the undergarments based on the jacket. I think that's the move. So we have these varsity... Okay. We also have this jacket that I really like, but I think I want to save this for the party fits. Because it's not really giving school. So we have this. We have this, which I think looks a bit better. Like, this is giving varsity jacket. And then we have this. It's like a baseball, more of a baseball overthrow. I think white and black, red and black also look good. Black and white is very standard. But maybe if I lean black, but that's just me. Let's do white and black. Okay, top. I would say let's not go too crazy with the undergarments. Undergarments, I mean like the shirt and the pants. Because yeah, I'm just thinking like baggy cargo. Like she's giving fuckboy, but like in the best way possible, you know? I don't like that drawstring there. I don't like that drawstring. Why do they have that? Bruh. Black pants? I don't know. It's just something's off. It's hard, man. There's not that many options yet in the game. Maybe the shirt. Maybe a little bit of tummy would look better. Yeah, a bit more cropped, perhaps. You know, even hella crops like this doesn't look terrible. I mean, I'm not mad about this. Not the best, not the worst. I don't know. I'm super simple, guys. Like, IRL, I dress very, like, just black and white. So, in games like this as well, I would just kind of put clothes on to the characters. Like, what am I saying? I would put on clothes that I would wear as well. I like the black is leather material. Oh, that's true. That's true. This is so American public school vibes. Yeah, right? Like, Emily, our other character, looks super, like, Korean, like, super classic, like, well put together girl. And then this girl here looks more like American. But I love it. Whatever. I don't want to be, like, too stuck on this for too long. I'm fine with this. Shoes, maybe, like, sneakers instead. We're very basic with the black and white. I don't like this. I actually hate this fit. I don't like it at all. We'll leave it for now, though. School? I don't know. It's not really giving school, but I think it's fine. Okay, sleepwear. Let's do the same thing as we did for our other character. They're just gonna wear, like, underwear. Maybe her underwear can be black, or... Let's give her this. Yeah. I think same as Emily. Like, they're just wearing a big t-shirt. Oh, but Emily wears this shirt too, so I can't have them wearing the same. Maybe she wears a long sleeve? A long sleeve to bed? Yeah, like this? This is kind of what I'm thinking. Go commando. Oh, boxers! Actually, that's a shout. But do they have, is the question. They don't really have, like... I mean, these kind of look like boxers. Maybe they have a matching shirt? We can check. This actually, so far, looks the most... Oh, but we already have that for every day. Like, I feel like this is the closest thing to, like, boxers. She looks like a homeless person. Because the colors look a bit... And this is the best I can do. This is definitely Adam Sandler vibes. Unless we do, like... They don't really have any, like, sleep shorts. You know what? Our girl just doesn't wear any clothes. She's just in her swimsuit. I mean, underwear. Or do we give her a set? No, I can't. People, like, I love these pajama sets. They're so cute. But when I see someone like actually wearing a set like this, IRL, I'm like a bit suspicious of them. I'm like, because don't you want to just sleep with as little clothes as possible? Isn't that like more comfortable? You know? I'm like, you want to put on a whole ass fit for a bed? Like, that's weird. No? Is that just, maybe that's just me. Maybe I'm just not a well put together person. Like, some girl, like, some, not even girls, just like people, they're like put on like really cute pajama fits. I'm like, damn, okay. I mean, it looks great, but I'm too lazy for that. Okay, this is kind of giving more pajama. Maybe we try to match. Not bad, actually. We'll leave it for now. Okay, party. For her party fits, I think we definitely want to give her... I don't know. Okay, jeans-wise, I don't know. But for her jacket, we already know we want to use this jacket. Maybe we give her, like, biker girl vibes. Like, she's a bit more alternative than Emily. So, you know, she'll definitely wear, like, a really small shirt with a jacket. Perhaps like this. Why is it striped? Oh my god, bruh. I really like this color green. I think it's so pretty. Oh my god, these look like pajama pants. Okay, I'm kind of losing track. I just want to start playing, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like kind of like... Okay, we're just gonna go with this. I don't care anymore. Like, I think this looks good. I'm too much of a perfectionist at heart where, like, I'm always like, oh my god, how about this? How about this? How about that? And then I'm never satisfied. But I think this is cute. Oh my gosh, I forgot to do her nails. Like, she looks good here, I think. Piercing, nose ring, earrings. We'll do, like... Okay, we'll do these. Okay. We'll give her a lot of earrings. I have to remember. Nails. Formal nails. Earrings. I guess 2 little... Okay, we'll just give her piercings for every fit. Oh my gosh, I nearly forgot. This is like one of the most important steps. I don't know if you guys can see, but she does have like, yeah, some more earrings here. I'm kind of vibing with the hat. I'm kind of vibing with the hat. Maybe a lighter color. How does that look? Cool. I like it. I'm happy with it. Ooh, let's see her do some poses. Yes, girl. Strike a pose. Damn, our girl is looking good. Hell yeah. Okay, guys. What is her name? What are we gonna name her? Oh my god, Meg. Quiana, Becca, Eliza, Penelope, Lillian, Isla. I kind of like the name Isla. She looks like an Isla to me. Isla Collins? I'm fine with that. I mean, I don't really care. I think that sounds good. Okay. What does she want? What kind of person do you think she would be? Sienna? Sienna is nice too. Billie Eilish. This is like a super white girl name, but eh. Oh wait, we're not gonna select a trait. We're gonna select her desired life. So these are all the things that we can choose for her. Oh wait, I never knew I could scroll. So for Emily, we gave her life of abundance. So for Isla, someone who is an artist. Okay, maybe creativity. Seeks to break the mold through innovation and creativity, aims to bring... Okay, what is all this nonsense? Just tell me, like, in simple terms, like, what it means, you know? You think she's, like, a creative? I feel like she'd be someone who's, like... Okay, let's do it. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, guys. We have finished our second character. Some other features in the game that I want to show you guys that I briefly saw yesterday. So they actually have a mode here called Craft, which I think is actually, you are able to design... Okay, like if I click this, you can design your own clothing items. So if you want to go like more in depth into the game, you can. I saw this yesterday, but I didn't have the opportunity to play around with it yet. So like I'm also... Wait, stop! Why are some of these actually cute though? Like what? And then you can also change the neckline and everything. Shit. Wait, this is so cute. So you can do it with everything. If you want to change the waistline, you can. Perhaps if you want to change the like width of things. Wait, stop. Oh my gosh. If I knew this beforehand. But it's okay. Now we know. That's really cool though. I like this feature in the game. Gives you more options for customization. I mean, nonetheless, I'm pretty happy with like what we've made. So, you know, it's fine. Oh my gosh, look, you can even make your own necklaces, like with your own pendants and everything. Watches too? Interesting. Okay, that's fascinating. Okay, but I just wanted to show you guys that feature, but I'm not going to spend too much time on it because I want to get to playing. Okay. Where should we go? Toan? These are not real places, okay? Kusingku? Or Bliss Bay? I'm thinking Toan, because it sounds Korean. I wish I could move the globe around, but I think I might just do Toan. Yeah? Let's do it. Oh, so we can actually see here. Okay. Nestled in a parallel universe, Toan evokes the charm of a Korean metropolis. Okay. Boasting a climate with 4 distinct seasons, the city's modern vibes blend seamlessly with the breathtaking Natural beauty that surrounds it. Okay, let's just actually look at the others. Kuchingu. Oh, it's like beachy. Oh my god, Indonesia. A city in a parallel universe evokes the charm of Indonesia's beautiful holiday destinations. Renowned for its crystal clear waters, bright, vibrant coral reefs, and rich marine life, it is a haven for snorkelers and divers. Oh my god, so this is like island life. Oh my gosh, I would totally make another family that like are just islanders. They just like live on an island and like dive and snorkel. Fuck yeah, that'd be so fun. Okay, now Bliss Bay. This is inspired by LA. Bliss Bay evokes the charm of an American city on the coast. Okay. Awesome. That's really cool. But I think, yeah, we're gonna go with Towon, the Korean inspired city. Whoa. This is so cool. Okay, so now we have to choose a house to move into. So obviously our family probably has a budget, so we can't move into anywhere. Okay, so let's check out. Empty? No, give me one with one. Ah, okay. So this is like empty property, meaning that I guess I would have to build the whole infrastructure of the house, but I don't really want to do that. So let's just, like, I want to just focus on decorating the insides. Okay, so Towon Villa. Start life in Towon at an affordable price at Towon Villa. Recommended for single-person households. Ooh, but we have 2 people. Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy, blah, blah, blah. Find the perfect balance, blah, blah, blah. Okay, Hangyul? I can't read Korean when it's in English. Okay, let's do this. Wear shoes indoors? Absolutely not. This is an Asian household. We don't wear shoes inside. How many monies do you have? I don't know. It doesn't actually say. Oh. Oh, I just saw the price. It said 52,000? Simoleons? Yeah, 57,000 or something? Okay, guys. So, welcome to InZOI. Meow. A new family of Zois is waiting for you right now. Shape their destiny by guiding them through life's biggest decisions. Okay, movement. How to move. WASD, simple. Shift is run. Left click, go in movement. Awesome. Click the edit city icon at the bottom right. Okay, to edit city. Moving to a lot of them on the map. Return home. Click on any ground and click go home. Okay, I think I'll figure it out. This seems like to be pretty similar to The Sims. Oh my god, our girls are meeting! How do I pause? Okay, pause. What? Guys, look at this! Oh my gosh, we are in Korea. Korea #1. In Korea. 한국. Wow. This is so weird. This feels so weird. Oh my gosh. Okay. So click to focus. I guess that brings me back to my character. What's this? Needs. Okay, so I kind of want to look at the settings first. So you have this setting here says autonomy. I think that means you can allow them to like have free will. Like similar to The Sims, like if they are hungry, they'll just like do the acts themselves. Yes, we made Emily 2.0, and then we also made Isla here, who's her like girlfriend, I guess you could say. How do you switch characters though? That's the question. Can I not? Okay, let's just play. Whoa, compliment hairstyle? Okay, so here on the sidebar is how I actually control people. Oh, they didn't have a good interaction. Okay, so we're playing as Emily. Girl, ask them to leave their room. Ask if they think you get along well. Praise spicy food. Share boxing techniques. What did I do? Oh shit, they don't like each other, guys. Why are they smiling like that? They're like, okay, I don't know what a bunch of these buttons is. Um, okay, how do I like not? Whoa, I can move as her. That's so weird. Guys, I'm walking around as her. Wait, that's so weird. That's so weird. Wait, that's so cool. That's so cool. I wonder if you can go into like first person point of view. Free will is overrated. Control them. Okay, well, let's go inside here into our apartment. Oh, clean. Do a cat heart pose. Ah, nanini. Okay, girl. Sure. Wait, this is so cool though that we can like control the characters like that. That's really sick. Okay, so I guess like their actions go here, their tasks. Dude, that's not a very flattering picture of her. Yeah, let's get them into the apartment. Oh, damn. We got a nice apartment. Wait, but are we supposed to be sharing one bedroom together? Because you guys don't even like each other. Sit down? How do I, like, get a job and stuff? Like, what do I do, you know? Relationships? Oh, okay. InZOI card. Guys, there's a lot. There's a lot. Edit sissy. Build mode. Oh, shit. She's just on her phone? Girl? Ask him to go away. Share a workout routine? See that everything in the world is beautiful in its own way? This is weird. What kind of fucking... This is so much more complex than... Sorry. This is so much more complex than Sims in terms of, like, the options that you have here. Thoughts? There's so much. Ooh, plan a date together? Let's just go for it. Oh, I don't think they like that. Oh. Were we in that kind of relationship? Oh. Let's just talk. Let's just get to know each other. Get that shit off. Maybe affection? Like, try to improve relationship, yeah. Ah! I think it was a bit soon. I was too ambitious. I thought maybe perhaps we could try daily life. Say you want to talk about how to control anger. Ah, gossip about community. Okay, we'll just get them to like chat a little bit. Say there is a cat only you can see. That's so funny. Them moving at the same time is so freaky, right? Okay, well, their relationship with each other is going up. Let's take a look at the guide here and... Like, I don't know how to, like, do things. So... Like, how do I, like... How do we go out and do stuff? I don't know. Do I just, like, click on... Like, how do I go places? Edit city? Damn! City appearance? Oh my gosh, this literally looks like Korea. I can edit the grass. I can edit the trees. I can edit billboards, weather. Girl. Special effects. What is a fucking fly? Animals. Animal density. Hi. Fuck yeah. Change the animals that appear in the city. Okay, well, cats, dogs, and an alligator, crocodile. Dude, this is premium Sims. Like, actually, there's so much going on. It's crazy. Okay, maybe this seems like a lot of animals. Let's do, like, only 3 animals? Seriously? Okay, let's do cat, dogs, and squirrels. No, let's do raccoons. Decorations? Adorn the city with various decorations. What? So there's just gonna be flying shits in the sky, or what? You know what? I don't know, but let's put large sun balloon. No, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, this game... When did this game... So, InZOI officially got released on the 27th of March. So, this game came out 3 days ago. Fill the whole place with cats and dogs? Hell yeah. Okay, adjust city environment values to design the city you want. So you can have it look clean, or you can have it look... Oh, that looks terrible. Super run down. Wow, that's crazy. Obviously, I want my city to be clean, because, like, ew, this is not an apocalypse. Really? Watching you has convinced me to buy it? Really? I mean... Excuse me. Like, for me, personally, I like games like this. Like, I used to play a lot of Sims, so for me, like, this is worth the buy. Yeah, perhaps you could always wait for it to get cheaper, but... I don't know if this game would ever get cheaper than what it is now. Maybe, like, by 10 bucks, maybe down the line. But it just came out, so it's probably gonna be a while before there's a discount. Add special effects to decorate the city with a festive atmosphere. Ooh. What the fuck? This is so weird. Okay, let's also edit grass. So there's a lot of functions here that you can do to, like, edit your city. Honestly, guys, I think the game is worth it. Like, if you think about Sims, the game itself you can actually get for free. And yeah, you can, like, you know, torrent it, but, like, not really. You shouldn't really be doing that. But the game itself, I don't remember how much it is, but, like, the expansion packs for Sims are expensive. It's not cheap. So, I think considering the quality, how high quality this game is, and the fact that it just came out, 40 bucks is, like, a lot, but, I mean, look at the quality of the game. I think it's understandable. This is just my opinion, though. I'm gonna keep the trees. I like that already. Just because it's Christmas? What the fuck is this? Edit billboard. Change the look of the billboards around the city. Sally, will you marry me? Guys, this is literally giving, like, Korea. Because, you know, in Korea... Oopsies. Oh, you can even upload your own files. That's crazy. Ooh, I'm just gonna put, like, these K-pop looking people. Video? This is so wow. Sunset stock footage royalty free? What? That's so weird. Put your own YouTube videos there? Dude, actually though.